What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this video I'm going to do a little walkthrough on a very cool plugin that I love called Filterstep. So Filterstep is basic a motion filter plugin. It's one of those plugins that just gives you infinite possibilities. It gives you very complex results and it creates very interesting rhythmic movement in your sound. So you can use this on bass, synths, drums, whatever you want. So I'll go through the plugin. I'm going to play it. So we have some loops open here from our new after hours bundle. So I have Sinister Synths and Drive and Drum loops. So I have Filterstep open on one of our synth loops. So I'll just let you listen to this synth dry and I'll turn it off. So it's like this. So I'm going to turn on Filterstep now. So basically when you hit this little dice, it will randomize the settings of the filter. So I'll just press randomize and then I'll go through each setting then. So here you can pick your filter, so you can have a low pass, high pass, band pass and low pass. Then this will change the filter range to get the maximum value. Same with the resonance. Hit random again. Here you can change the smoothness of the filter. Then here you can change the direction, so you can have forward, backward, or you can have a ping pong. So here's backward. Then ping pong. Right, so we can just keep hitting random, and then here we can change basically the frequency of the filter. Then here we can change the quantization, so we can have it on quarter notes, 8 notes, 16 notes. We have 8 notes. Let's see quarter notes. Here we can change the steps, so we can have a 32, we can just change wherever we want. Here we have the loop length. Then here we can lock some of the parameters, so if there's some sounds we like, we can lock them. And even if we hit random, they'll always stay the same. Then we can unlock it here. Let's see what the band pass is like. And here we have the dry wet. So no effect, 25%. Even just a little touch gives it a lovely bit of character in the background. Here we can bypass the effect altogether. And then here we can generate a new pattern every loop. So if we have it set to 1 here, so after every bar it will change the pattern. And then we can change it so every 3 bars change the pattern. So it'll stay like that for 3 bars and then it'll change. We can go all the way up. Here you can bypass some of the steps. Which is really nice. Back in quarter notes. Right, let's hear what it sounds like on some drums. So I think I have it on this yet. I'm just going to turn off the synth. Put on some drums. Put on 8 notes maybe. Resonance up, gives a nice squelch. It's great for adding some kind of percussive sounds. textures to your tracks. So there's something clashing with the kick there. But yeah, you can use this on a lot of different stuff. So our loop from our Drive and Drums pack. Let's grab a synth from our, what was the pack we made? Going to Tape Waves, it was called Sequence Synths. These already have quite a bit going on, so let's see what it sounds like on one of these. See that? Right, Filterstep. By the way, these plugins are completely free as well, so unbelievable. For the price, you really can't get much better than that. So let me just turn that synth off. I just want to hear this alone. Peaking a little bit. Yeah. It's random. Oh yeah. Unbelievable. And then if you want to save some presets, you can also save them down here, down in their settings as well. So yeah, I think I've gone through all the features on this. I'll leave the link in the description. They also do some other really cool plugins that I'll do in a separate video, because I wanted to get in a little bit more into depth instead of just showing you a load of free plugins in one video and not really showing you how to use them. So yeah, if you like them samples we use in the track, you can get them all on our website. We have a free pack there if you didn't get it already. And yeah, check out our channel. We have a lot more videos like this. And if there's anything you want to see in the future, please let me know. Thanks for watching.